Hey, it's Chad Crenshaw with Love That Door. Today it's going down. We got the builders dinner. We got all the builders here just to say a little thank you for all this love and support that you give to us. Now we want to give back to you. Stay tuned. We're going to have more events like this throughout the year, and stay tuned for more tonight. We're giving away over $100,000 in gifts and prizes. We got food inside. We got food outside. We got food everywhere. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything y'all do for us. We love you and we're very grateful.
I'm Michelle, and welcome to our 2025 Builders Dinner we have here at Love That Door. We have amazing things happening tonight, starting off with appetizers here, and we move over into full bar. We have a vodka station, we have a wine station, and many vendors, and you're gonna have to come out and see us and get one of our lovely doors that we have here.
Hey there, glad you can join us. We are having our Builders Appreciation Dinner and open house so that all of our builders can come and see our fabulous products, the ones that they may be familiar with and some new ones that they may not be familiar with. This is a great time, our yearly event where everybody can come, have a good time, have some great food and entertainment, and also learn about our vendors that are with us, that work closely with us, and all of our products that are sensational.
Hey guys, I'm Jake with V Luxury Homes, custom home builder. Guys, I've been with Love That Door for a few years now. They really customize and personalize more than anything. Ever since then, I am hooked on Love That Door.